Today we're gonna be playing Teardown. Yeah, I'm just walk to this warehouse right here. Found a 425 gaming here. I think that's what I'm gonna call this channel. E, not F, dumbass. Okay. We got a sledgehammer. Alright, it had to be done. Okay, let's watch some TV. This looks pretty nice. Elliot Power, yeah. Alright. My bad. Alright. Tracy, gas bills. Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests? At this point, we pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Hugs, mom. Oh, Tracy's my mom. Okay, this just came in. Sounds kind of fishy, but we need the money. You up for it? Good evening, my name is Gordon Wu, general manager at the Evertides Mall. I think that's Evertides Mall, yeah. I have a slight problem with an old building that's blocking our plans for a new wing, and I'd need someone to knock it over. I need it gone by tomorrow, and I'd even be willing to pay more than the standard rate for some extra Fucking, let's do the mission. All right. Evertides Mall. God damn, that's a nice mall. It's my van. Yeah, it's my. Oh yeah, it's what I destroyed earlier. I turn off that. Well, that worked. But these don't grab it. I keep trying to fucking hit it with my. Yeah, that's what I like to see. But no, don't. I have an extinguisher, right? Fire company! Oh, that's a fucking lamp. Fuck you, lamp. You look like a fire. Can't break the brick. Yeah, that works. Let's just go all the way around. I have an idea. Can I drive the vehicles? I can drive the vehicles. Yeah, bitch. Yeah. Well, that was anticlimactic. Let's go, come on. Yeah! Yeah! Right through the building, yeah! Alright, let's just all the way around. Should use the explosives on the chimney. Yeah. Come to Papa. Oh, yeah. Oh! Beautiful. Well, let's get one up there. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, come on, let's go round 3! Yeah! Yeah! Fucking destruction! Yeah. Well, there's a fuck you. Collision going off over there. Take this back and throw it. Yeah, motherfucker. Oh, yeah. Just knock this bitch down. And it's still too tall. Yeah, I need to shorten this a lot more. Oh, you... Yeah. Yeah, motherfucker. Oh, there we go. Okay. Get that. Fuck you. Fuck you and your fucking Mission complete. Fuck you. Okay. This is my bed? Holy fuck. Damn, I'm poor as shit. I can move the entire fridge. Bitch. Fuck are you looking at? Alright, what a morning! Should have taken that job. I knew something wasn't right. That building was under crucial heritage. No, I'm just gonna get a fucking AI to read it, okay?
What a morning.
No, fuck that. Let's go here, because is this a fucking PD, police department? That's a cop. Okay, first mission, Lee Chemicals. Alright, so what's our objective? Security fire alarm. First one's in here. Or, one of them's in here. God damn it, it's made out of brick. There's one over here. Up here. Up. Oh, $45, nice. Piece of shit. Just fucking work, please. I'm just gonna have to go through here. That'll work. So what'll happen if I pick this up? Huh. Oh, I guess we're fine. Okay. 2 targets. 2. Fuck, now I'm locked in here. There's one more right there. Yeah, we just go now. Fuck you, Lee's Chemicals. Yeah, bitch. Oh, fuck. Yeah! Bitch! Yeah, motherfuckers, what are you gonna do now? Yeah. Fuck you. Oh, damn, that treadmill got fucked. The customer registry trigger the AI. Fucking.
The customer registry indicates that
Head back to Lee Chemicals and fetch their employee login devices. I should be able to cross-reference fucking their log files with the delivery schedule to figure out where they are moving the product and what BT. I heard they installed a new security system. Be careful. Okay. Gotta be careful. There's a new security system. And we're back. Okay, let's see what we got. 60 seconds. Okay, so this is a full mission now. Okay. Yeah, we could do this. Fuck you, Lee's Chemicals. Thinking like a genius. Your boy's thinking like a genius. And boom, we're in. And now we just gotta grab this fucker. Scoot my way through here. Just, there you go. Now we have a clear pathway to the van, but we don't have that vehicle anyway. Nah, we don't need it anyway. What's going on here, mate? Mate? What the fuck? Am I fucking Australian? Don't care. There. Okay, this building was a pain in the ass to get into, so truck. Now it's less of a pain in the ass to get to. Just gotta move some of this shit out the way. And, yeah. Sorry. Is it? So, I'm in the wrong fucking... I'm a dumbass. God damn. Okay. So, we'll start here. So, I'm just gonna... So, this should start at the 60-second timer. So, we'll go straight from here. Boom. Jump to the roof. Okay, let me grab a little explosive real quick. I shouldn't be saying low. Little. More like fucking huge. What is this? Valuable. 100. God damn, that's a lot of money. I should not be fucking around with this. Careful. Just no. Why the fuck? Careful. Careful, found it. Careful. Careful. And... No, I gotta get more... What? Gotta get more over here. Walk around here. Boop. Jump into here. Swoop that. And then last one's gonna be over here. So I saw there's something on the roof. Make a stairway with these. That... That worked. So I think I'm... God damn, what am I gonna do? Because I get out on that roof. So maybe I can run over here. Oh yeah, walk along there. Oh, I did that for no reason. Beautiful. All right, so let me reenact it. Boom, grab that one. Run over here, over, down here. Boom. Then come. Where? Oh wait, no, there's nothing in here. That was last time. Then come over here. Run this way, up on here. Boom, over here. Sideswipe that motherfucker. Oh yeah, run up here. Run up here. Along here. Down here. Perfect fucking area to put a window. Developers, game developers. Down here, grab this, and then guess I could... No. Bad. Well, that did nothing. Jump down here. Have a vehicle ready. Put it right there. Then I'm gonna drive it all the way to my van, and the mission is done. Let's fucking do this, baby. Quick save. All right, go. Oh, I think I fucked up. Oh yeah, I fucked up. I forgot where I had to go. I fucked up. Grab you. No, oh, I fucked up big time. Oh, never mind. We're making perfect fucking time. Got you. In the truck. Fuck! You know what? Fuck it. Fuck the truck. We fucking did it. Let's go. Wait, was there any side missions, though? No, there wasn't. Or, I mean, non-required targets. Yeah. Pretty good first mission. And then we ran, fuck you, into the truck. beautiful fucking run. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy, please subscribe, like, turn on that notification bell. This is the first to a series. I can't wait to do more missions in Teardown. I'm hoping to get new tools. You know, it was kind of hard with just the spray paint and the fire extinguisher. I've seen other videos and stuff. They have like shotguns and like pistols and like all these other stuff like bombs, pipe bombs, you know. That's for future. But yeah, pretty good run. Others would probably say it's a pretty ass run. And to them, I say, fuck you. Do all that shit I told you to do. And yeah, see you guys in another Found 425 gaming video, if that's what I call this channel. Goodbye. Ugh.